Hello everyone. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to define wall bracing and assign sections to the braces. Let's get started. Again, we have already opened our portal frame model. Let's check model parameters. I click Model tab, X-axis, and click the Truss 0 and Edit button. As you can see, our column height is 8 meters. I close here. To define the parameters of the wall bracing, you need to click first Options button. Let's click Options. There are several wall bracing options available in this menu. The first one is maximum height of the wall bracing. This means this parameter defines the vertical number of wall bracings. For example, this number is 4.5 meters. Our column height is 8 meters. 8 divided by 4.5 is less than 2. So the program round the integer number to the lower one and it puts just only one bracing. Let's make it 3 meters. Now program divide the 8 meters to 3 meters and rounding the number the lower number of integer. So it puts 2 vertical bracing. Let's check it. I click OK. As you can see, program divided the column at the middle line and put the 2 vertical braces. Again, let's open the Option tab. Let's say it's 2 meters. In this case, program will divide 8000 mm to 2000 mm and the result is 4. So there must be 4 wall bracing in each spacing. Let's check it. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's change the parameter again. Now make it 4 meter. Now program takes exactly number 2. Again, I click the Options button. And another options is available. Only the edge columns of the truss has the bracing. This means if we have the columns at the middle and if we check this, program will only insert the wall bracings at the axis A and axis B. Let's do it. I click Columns or Restraints button and insert a column at point 9. So apply chains. Now, in the middle of the axis, we have wall bracings also. You can remove it from the Options menu and check this button. Then click OK. And program automatically remove the bottom wall bracings. The higher wall bracings still remains because of the stability of the structure. Let's check the options. And you can say first wall bracing has a spatial elevation. Let's check it. And make the spatial elevation about 2 meters. Then click OK. Now, this elevation is 2 meters and this elevation is 8 meters. You can change the parameters what you want. Let's assign the sections. I click Primary Member button and Stability Beam Braces button. In this case, you need to select the reference axis first. We have three axes. It's A, B, and C. Let's change A. You can of course use the same cross sections of the entire axis, and you can change all at the one time. Let's click this. The brace sections is rod and its circumstances is 20 millimeters. And the secondary stability beam, and these beams I mean, is the box section 104 millimeters. Let's change this. Of course, you can select another sections, but in this case, I will use the box sections. And I change the braces to pipe section. Then click the Apply Change button. Let's see our model. It takes some time depending on your computer speed. And our 3D model is ready. As you can see, our wall braces is pipe section, not rod, and we change the stability beam sections of course. See you next lesson.